Hello there, everyone. This is Ashmita from Saurav's classes, and here in this video, we are talking about the CAT question paper of 2023. And as far as you can see, we are solving 2 to 3 questions per video. And here the question says the 4 sentences labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4 given below, when properly sequenced, would yield a coherent paragraph. So decide on the proper sequencing of the order of the sentences and key in the sequence of the 4 numbers as your answer. So we need to understand how the coherent paragraph would actually be. So let's talk about what exactly is being talked about in these 4 sentences. That is what we need to consider first of all. So let's start with option 2. It says that see, it talks about the idea that some true crime cases are particularly captivating because of the level of violence or the unsolved aspects of the crime. Okay. Then we can go over to the third one, that is unsolved and perhaps unsolvable cases. This sentence. See, this sentence builds on the previous one by stating that unsolved cases hold a special intrigue that is absent in more typical murder cases. So, yeah, third one will go. Next, we can move over to the very first one. What precisely are the unusual elements that make a particular case so attractive to a certain kind of audience? See, the sentence that sets up the question that the paragraph will answer: what makes certain true crime cases so popular? Okay, that is what is being told over here. Then, lastly, we can consider the fourth point. That is, this sentence or question sentence, we can say, rephrases the question from sentence 1 in a more general way. We can see that, asking why some crimes still stay in the public eye while others are quickly forgotten, isn't it? So, yeah, that's it. So, we can say that 2, 3, 1, and 4. This is how it will go. Okay. Okay, let's move over to the next question. Let's go through this one. Question number 22. Now this also is based on the same sequence. 4 sentences are given, labeled as 1, 2, 3, and 4, and here we have to make a proper arrangement, a proper sequence in which we can make a proper paragraph. So based on this, we can say algorithms. Yeah, let's take the very first sentence. So yeah, the very first sentence talks about, like, think of an algorithm. It's a set of instructions, right? Or a set of rules that a computer follows to make a decision. So that is what they have talked in the very first sentence. So these decisions can have a very big impact on people's lives. So yeah, that's it, larger impact on people's lives. Now the second line, it says, imagine the data as a pile of ingredients which is used to bake a cake. If some of the ingredients are spoiled, then the cake won't turn out well, right? So similarly, if we consider the same thing with the data that is used to create an algorithm is biased, then the decisions that it will make can also be biased. So okay, so that is what algorithmic bias is all about. Third one. Now, the third one is all about, this is an example of how biased data can lead to unfair decisions. Now, in this case, the algorithm might be discriminating against women even though it's not doing it on purpose. Okay, last one. The impact of biased decisions made by humans is localized and geographically confined, but with the advent of AI. Okay, so basically what they are trying to say is that it's important to remember that algorithms are just tools. So, and just like any other tool, they can be used for good or bad. So, we need to be very careful about how we use them and make sure that they are fair and unbiased also. So, talking about how we can put these together would be, yeah, the proper type of answer can be 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's keep it till here today in this video. We're going to talk about these questions again in the next video series. Thank you for being with me till the end. If you want to join our classes for any kind of exam preparation, then you can join that through the description box. There you will get all the details about our classes. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the other videos.